You got your prescription for Latisse. So now what? Today I want to talk to you about what to expect when you're expecting Latisse at your doorstep. So your package comes and you open it up and here is your new Latisse box. This is a box of the 5 ml 10-week supply solution. So we do have the 3 ml as well, but today I'm going to show you the 5 ml. So you get this box and you're like, why is this so big? The bottle is tiny. Well, you are also getting your 70 packs of the sterile applicators that is very important that you use. So you get your box sealed, always has to be sealed. Again, this is a prescription product, always sterile. Get your seal, you open it up. I need scissors. Open it up and you open it like this. A lot of people get a little bit scared because you're like, why do I have so many applicators? This, again, is the 70 days worth of all of your sterile applicators. These guys are very important to use. You do not want to be using a makeup brush, a Q-tip, your finger. Please do not use any of that. It's very important. Your eyes are very, very sensitive, and you also need your eyes. So what good is it to have eyes that don't work but beautiful long lashes? Not good. So you're going to get packs. They come in 5-day packs like this. All you have to do, they're all perforated, so it makes your ease very, very simple to open. You get this, rip them apart, and this is day 1. So at nighttime, again, you only apply Latisse at night. You take the pack, and you open up these sterile applicators just like this. Now, before we actually apply Latisse, remember, you need to start with a freshly cleansed face. I don't want any makeup on your eyes. We don't want any creams or lotions, none of that yet. This is something that you have to put on with a very clean face. Also, it's very important to remember, if you wear contacts like myself, you have to take those out. We do not want the chance of any of the product getting in your eye and getting stuck underneath. Any of my fellow contact wearers can understand that is not a good thing and we don't want to feel that. So, let's look at the bottle. Here is our little 5 ml bottle. Tiny little thing. Again, this is good for 10 weeks, so you only need 1 drop of it. That's why the bottle is so small. So notice everything is sealed, sterile, clean product. So take off the little sterile seal here. These things are always a lot harder for me than they should be. Perfect. So you have your little Latisse bottle. You have your applicators ready to go. Let's start applying. So the best way we have found to actually apply the Latisse, you get one of the applicators with the bottle, you hold it horizontally, and you apply the Latisse 1 drop right on the brush. It's only 1 drop. You probably aren't even going to actually see it. It's a little bit wet looking, but you won't actually see a bulge of water, which is fine. Again, more product is not going to make your lashes grow any faster. So 1 drop a day to each eye. Okay, so now you put this on one eye and you toss this applicator out. That one's done. You do not share applicators from eye to eye. Then you have 1 applicator left. You grab that one and you do the same. Apply your product, 1 drop here. You probably won't be able to see it, but a little bit of glistening and that's it. Apply to the other eye and then you're done. Let's talk about how to apply this though. When you're applying the Latisse to your eye, you want to keep it right on the upper lash line. Do not, and I repeat, do not try to put it on your bottom lash line because it's not safe and you don't need to grow those extra long. This is only approved for the top eyelid, okay? So try to get it as close to the eyelid and the skin lash line that you could possibly get, and that's where you want to go. It's also very important to remember that anything that the Latisse touches, you will have a possibility of growing hair there. So let's keep that in mind. If anything drips down, which could happen, take a little piece of tissue. You'll have your tissue. And if it gets under your eye, you just wipe that up, or on the sides, or in the middle. You don't want the Latisse to be running down. 1, you don't want to get it in your eye. 2, you don't want to start sprouting eyelashes all the way through your eye. So that is it. Make sure to shut the Latisse bottle You always put the cap on. You don't want to let this tip touch anything else in your bathroom or anything in your purse or wherever you're keeping this. Again, you want to keep this sterile. This is a product you're applying directly to your eye, so make sure that you keep it clean. Everything's clean and sterile. Perfect. So you are all set. Tomorrow at night, you will do the same thing with another set of applicators. Rip it off, one applicator each eye, close to the lash line, and toss it away. You should start seeing your results with Latisse. You should start seeing the thicker lashes within about 4 weeks. The length starts to come after that as well, and your full results will be in 16 weeks. So I hope everyone has a great lash journey, and let's see those long lashes.